All right, guys, we're gonna do a little test here today in the driveway. Brand new powered up series 11 amp 4.5/5-inch grinder. This is the WP11-125. Comes with a 5-inch guard, so you can put 4.5 or 5-inch accessories on this one. Its predecessor, the WP9-115 Quick, was a great grinder also. It's no longer going to be available. It's been powered up. Now, this spun at 10,500 RPM. This one's spinning at 11,000 RPM. I'm interested to see if we can really notice the difference in the speed of cut with the more power and the more RPM. Also, I do have Type 27 slicer wheels on here, so I don't necessarily need Type 1 guarding in place. I'm gonna make these cuts 3 each with the same cutting wheel, Metabo original slicers, Type 27. So let's see how this goes. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the WP9-115 Quick, the predecessor to the new powered up version. See how quick we can get through 3 cuts in black iron pipe. All right, now we're going to do it with a new powered up WP11 11 amp tool. 3 cuts to see how long it takes to get through this. Wow, what a difference.